did was we put all of those round pieces together and then put a, what is this called? We put all of these circle pieces all together and we put them all through this metal rod, that's what it's called. We'll put a washer and a bolt on to make sure that it stays on. And then we glued this felt piece. It was cuter, but the wood glue kind of like made it look a little funny, but it's okay. It's this huge piece of felt. And then so each piece has this backing on it. So on the other side, it has this same piece. It's just a bunch of pieces of plywood with the felt on. And then again, that bolt on this side. So cute. Then the other piece. So then for the actual balance, whoa, I need to back up here. Okay, so for the actual balance board, it is so beautiful. I don't think you understand just how gorgeous this turned out. Isn't it beautiful? So on the top here, we bought these sticky adhesive, what are these called? No, it's kind of like it's like an adhesive kind of like sandpaper, I guess. Basically, so it's like grip tape, that's what it is. It's this grip tape. Put two pieces here, and then on the same exact side, we put the two pieces here. So you can put your feet here and you won't slip off. And then to flip it over, we bought these little like rubber stoppers and then drilled a hole through them, into the actual board. Oh, it just looks so pretty. The only thing is like the felt kind of sticks to this, but that's okay. So then we got 4 of those. So those are on each side, obviously. So this is what stops, so this is what stops this from like flying out and like the board going crazy like how it is on like a skateboard. And also when you're actually doing the balance board, it doesn't ruin the board. So when it hits the floor, it actually hits on these things first. And then as you can see, we put the grip tape on here as well. This is just to make sure that this doesn't go crazy and it's not like just sliding like this. It's actually, it has a roll, so it has like a grip to it. And oh, it just looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just want to like make it into like a cheese board or something because it's just so pretty, but now it's way too dirty to do that. Oh, but just look at the sides. Oh, it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. So, so, so pretty. So are you.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, wait. So let's put it down. I probably look crazy, sorry. So you have the grip tapes here, you put your feet here. And so see how those stoppers, oh gosh, see how those stoppers stop it? And then also when it does hit, it'll hit the stoppers first. And you just balance it like this. And it's just so gorgeous. I'm obsessed, and I made it all by hand with my boyfriend. So it's so cool. Should I try it? So your feet go here. So you can, oh my gosh, I haven't done this in a while. Okay, wait. And then you just, oh gosh. Okay, hold on. Oh no, can you hand me my balance board? So anyway, I hope you liked it. I loved making it. It is way better than any balance board I ever could have bought. It has love. It's made with love. If you make it, cool. If not, cool. I love it, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.